Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In order to craft a telescope, you will need both the new ore and the new shard type added to the game: copper and amethyst shards. Copper is a semi-precious metal that you will most likely be able to find at the same rate as something like lapis lazuli. It is an ore that must be smelted like iron or gold.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A 20%. Every random game tick there is a 20% chance for a budding amethyst block to spawn a small amethyst bud on any of its sides, as long as the block being replaced with the small amethyst bud is air or a water source block.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In the vanilla version of Minecraft, players can zoom in and look closer at targets without any mods at all. To do this, players will just need to move the slider bar for their FOV. This can be accessed by going to the game menu, pressing the ESC key and then selecting the Options button in the menu.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The spyglass is very useful new item, however it could be even better. My suggestion is that it can have a maximum of 1 enchantment. These would be rare and would only be found in dungeons or traded with villagers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.